In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept payments on your Wix website, guiding you through each step clearly and concisely. If you've just launched a Wix website or are planning to start selling products or services online, setting up a seamless payment gateway is crucial. Let's dive right in and make sure you're all set up to start receiving payments effortlessly. To begin, navigate to the Wix homepage by visiting wix.com. Log in using your credentials and you'll find yourself on the dashboard's home screen, a central hub for managing your site and its features. Once you're there, your next step is to locate the Settings option. This is your gateway to configuring various aspects of your site. It's found on the left sidebar, along with other management tools. Clicking on Settings will take you to a page filled with a variety of options that help you control and customize different parts of your website. After opening Settings, look for the section labeled Accept Payments. This is where the payment gateway setup starts. Here, you'll be presented with numerous options to integrate payment solutions that best suit your business needs. It's important to note that in order to start accepting payments, you must have a Wix Premium account. This upgrade unlocks several essential features, including the complete setup of payment acceptance, so make sure your account is set up accordingly. Once you've confirmed that you have a premium account, it's time to choose a payment method. Wix offers various options such as PayPal, Square, or Stripe, allowing you to decide the best fit for your business model. Each payment provider has its strengths, so whether you're looking for international reach, competitive transaction fees, or overall ease of use, there's a choice for you. After picking your desired payment method, the next step is to click on the Connect button. This action will initiate the process of linking your selected payment method to your Wix account. You'll be prompted to input relevant information to complete the connection. This process might include logging into your payment account to grant permissions or providing additional banking information for security purposes. Once you've connected your preferred payment method, you're almost done. There's one final Connect button to click, completing the setup process. This final step confirms that your website is fully configured to accept payments. Verify everything is working by testing a transaction, just to ensure there's no hitch when real customers start purchasing your products or services. And there you have it. Your Wix website is now ready to accept payments. This setup not only opens up sales opportunities, but also gives your customers a streamlined checkout experience, which is key to running a successful online business. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your site payment ready.